Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be painting the front bumper and the wheels. Stay tuned. Perfect. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like what you see, please hit that like button. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, it's Sunday night. So just finished the last video. So I need to clean up this front bumper. Ready for tomorrow to shoot some primer on it. And same with the wheels there at the back of the house. So I'll just clean this up with some wax and grease remover. So with doing a layer of primer, there are going to be parts that I'll still need to fix up, which I'll probably just use the stop putty for. This over here took me so long. So annoying. Alrighty guys, I have cleaned that up. I did sand it back and just wipe it down. So ready for tomorrow. I'm going to head out and do the same for the wheels. See you in the morning. Alrighty guys, we are back for another day. It's Monday, it's 1:30. I don't have to work for the rest of the day, so that's good. But we are on call for baby coming along. So what we're going to do is shoot some primer onto this. You can see anywhere where we need to fill or fix. A lot easier. Kind of doing two videos today. So I'm doing this and I'm doing the wheels. So the wheels will be a separate one. And we'll get this done and back on the car. I've also got the lights off. They are outside. I will send them back and get them looking good. Yeah, let's get the tack cloth, go over the whole bumper, and we'll start shooting some primer. Alright guys, I'll probably end up flipping this over so I can get to the bottom edges first, and then I'll rotate it back over and keep spraying. Alright guys, probably won't do a final paint on this in this episode, but do you think I should make this, let's say, lip? I think I should paint it black. Guessing if I do, if you guys think I should, I've got to do the rear bumper too with that diffuser part. Alrighty guys, I am just mixing up some primer now and then we'll start painting. Alrighty guys, we've got some good coverage here. It's a bit of work to do still to the bar. Gonna let that dry and head off over to the wheels and do that episode. Alrighty guys, I'm back. It's probably been 45 minutes or so. Sorry, that's next door making that noise. I've been working on the wheels, which will be an upcoming video, most likely on Thursday. So I'm just going to go over this with probably some 400. And before I do that, I'll find any little holes, pinholes, little crappy bits, and fill it in with stop putty. Alrighty guys, just using this stop putty. So it doesn't need to be mixed at all, you just spread it quite thin and it dries. I've had it for a while now. I'm just using a JB Hi-Fi gift card, nice and flexible. So we'll just go over the whole thing. Well, not like a whole skim of it, but you know what I mean. Check it all out. Guys, we have the stop putty all over the bumper, so we'll let this dry for 20 minutes or so and come back and sand it back, see how we're looking, and shoot another primer. So I did get a bit on this side over here, trying to level it out a little bit too. It's a little bit wavy for my liking, so yeah, might need a few goes on this part here, but that's okay. That is just fine. Head back to the wheels. Alrighty, it's like 5:10 now, so been working on the wheels for a little while. It should be all dry, so we'll start sanding that back. Use some 400 on it. There's my water, not that one, water. Been raining a lot out near where I was doing the wheels. It was flooding, so glad I'm back in the garage. So we can make this make it great again. I've sanded it all back and wiped it down, so it should be ready for the tuck cloth and some more paint. And it is starting to get a bit cold here, so I'm not going to paint it tonight, but I'm going to head back to the wheels and fill in the gutter ashes, and yeah, we'll get them both to the point where they can be painted. Just got to wait for some decent temperature. It should be it's a hard one. Maybe tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday afternoon. Alrighty guys, I'm going to leave this episode here. It doesn't seem like much, but I spent about 5 or 6 hours already on this front bumper just today. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.